Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing with an eyeshadow palette. I just brought out my Makeup Revolution palette, Reloaded Velvet Rose. I use this all the time and just wanted to create an eyeshadow look. I kind of didn't really have anything in mind, but once I started applying the shadows, this is the look that I came up with. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. All right, we are just going to create today. I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look. It's been a while, and just as a creative person, sometimes you just need to create. Not sometimes, that's what motivates and drives us, is being creative. So when you just feel like you want to create, you just get to it. So I don't really have any kind of set thought in this. It's just going to be a look for deep set eyes. So I'm going to start off with my contour side of my highlight contour wand from Hard Candy, and I'm going to contour out this bright piece right by the nose here. So you can see there's brightness there, and I'm going to contour that out. We could follow down the nose too if we want. And just blend it out with our finger. I went in a little bit more with the contour just to add some warmth to this area that has a lot of cool undertones. I'm going to go in with my Born to Glow concealer from NYX, and this is in the shade Vanilla. And this is a nice radiant creamy concealer. It's one of my brighter concealers, so I'm just placing that right in the inner corner to contrast against the contour. And this is kind of just cleaning up this inner corner, giving it more structure. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH40 brush, and I'm going to go into a warm taupe shade in my Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette, and I'm just going to blend that on the nose contour. I'm going to go into the deeper tone and just a rounded dome brush. Just kind of tilt my head back so I get a flatter surface. You can see when we're looking straight on, we have the crease there. So if we tilt our head back a bit, we'll get a flatter surface. And I'm just going to brush that along the brow bone. I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm going to go into the dark brown color, matte dark brown, and I'm going to tilt my head back, and I'm going to start from the outer corner and just kind of buff in a circular motion on the lid, up into the crease, and then on the brow. I'm gonna go in with this soft cream tone and just blend that over my whole lid. This is just going to smooth out the deeper tones and blend everything together. I'm going to take this small flat brush from Real Techniques. This is a detailer brush. I'm going to go into the black tone and I'm going to draw a line right where my crease is. Now I'm going to take one of the lighter foiled colors and just use my finger and I'm going to pat that onto my lid. I'm going to go into the deeper foiled color. There's a little bit more glitter to it. All right, so I just added some mascara and liquid liner and just touched up the inner corners a bit. I just shortened the black line a little bit and thickened it there. And I think, yeah, how fun is this? Just something creative and different. Definitely more of an evening look, but try it out on your deep set eyes and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.